Hello peeps. Today we have a selection of things I had recently bought from the ye olde eBay. Let's have a look. This bag here. Oh my god. Back in the place. Right. Here we have a little stove, but we'll do all that in a minute. Just wants to show off, doesn't it? Right. This is a money bag. It fits around your waist. A nice big bag, but it has wonderful pockets all over the place. Look at all your monies on the front here. Side pockets. Monies on the side pockets. A big back pocket, that's quite roomy in there. Got a little mesh bag at the back of it. There. If we get that. Right. But yeah. There. Just about. Anyway, so that's one of them, and it's yeah, very useful. And the thing is, I got this for is very useful for being a handlebar bag on the bike. See down there, you can touch that, and there's a grip there. You can add a belt and put it around your waist as a waist belt. So, yeah, very good. And then you got the clips here that secure the bag up. Oh, good. You can add maybe a selfie stick in there. You know, clip that on. And of course the belt. I bought a belt because I was getting fat. Keep my pants up. Right, let's get on to this here, which I have been promising myself for some time. I wonder if I can get it out without, hang on. Right, one of these things. All this comes out apparently like this sort of style. It's supposed to be, right, that's what it's called, a windproof stove. That remains to be seen. It comes in a nice little, very bright plastic box. And on that end, you've got that connector, which should be locked off, which goes on your gas canister. Right, this, I think you've seen one of these before. So that goes on the bolts. And of course you've got that there where you turn it on. And there's a piezo lighter down here for lighting, you see. You see it for that. So that goes in there. So Billiken. Goes the gas bottle, and this bag, which came with the billy can. Don't know what you're supposed to use it for. Oh, but hey, it comes in handy. There's a nice lid that goes on the billy can, and that sits very nicely on there like that. And you can even get a bigger pan on there, a much bigger pan. So we're good. Okay. Right, that's it for now, boys and girls. More stuff soon to come. Sorry about the shaking the camera, but hang on, let's see. That's better. That's better, isn't it? Should have put it on a tripod, really. So there you go, there's a bit of a lighting situation here, but there is none. Right, I'll have some more stuff to show you in a bit, and speak to you in a while. Thanks for watching. Have a look for them bargains on eBay. Nothing I bought there cost over £15. What's that, $18–20? Yeah. I think the stove was about 12. The molly bag, I think that was about 12 or something, or maybe a little bit more. I'll put in the links down there somewhere later on. Tatty pie.